Hello again guys. Today you are gonna learn how to pin comments on Instagram. I'm sure that you saw comments on some posts that are always at the top. It's because the author of the post pins that comment. It's quick and easy. First, let's check if Instagram is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to Instagram. On the down right corner, click on Profile Image. Profile page will open up. So if you want to pin some comments on some post, click on that post. At the bottom, click on the part where there are comments. Comment section will open up. Here, hold the comment and slide it on the left side. Few options will show up. Click on the pin icon. Now that comment will be on the top of every next comment. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials like this, follow our channel. See you in the next video.